All it takes is one night of poor sleep for you to understand how important sleep really is for our health. Sleep isn't only necessary for relaxation. While we sleep, our body repairs itself and maintains the balance of our immune, endocrine, and neurological systems, as well as several other bodily functions. Due to this, getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep a day is very important. There is, however, another way to make the hours you sleep even more beneficial to your health: sleeping naked. In today's video, we're going to give you 5 reasons why you should sleep naked. It burns more calories. When we sleep without clothes, we activate a type of fat known as brown fat, which helps our body to produce heat in order to keep us warm. When this fat is activated, we burn more calories than usual. It improves sleep quality. In order for us to rest more efficiently, our body needs to lower its temperature by half a degree and keep it there all night. When we sleep naked, we make this temperature reduction easier, allowing us to have a deeper and more restful night's sleep. It prevents fungal infections. When we sleep naked, we're allowing our skin to breathe better. Clothes can sometimes make us sweat more easily, creating the perfect environment for fungus and bacteria to develop. It fights diabetes. When our body activates the brown fat, it also becomes more sensitive to insulin, the hormone that metabolizes our blood sugar. When we become more sensitive to insulin, our body is also able to burn more fat and prevent diseases such as diabetes. It reduces blood pressure. According to several different studies, sleeping naked with someone you're close to helps your body to produce more oxytocin. This hormone is able to regulate your blood pressure, strengthen your immune system, fight anxiety, and even reduce stress. Finally, if you adopt this habit, you will also be helping your wallet, since you won't need to spend any money on pajamas. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.